Welcome to our screencast on how to enhance your small business's alert system using Notify, a powerful tool that lets you send notifications directly to your phone or desktop. We'll demonstrate how Notify can be integrated with Uptime Kuma to monitor your services and with N8N to automate notifications. First, let's talk about Notify. It's an open-source application that enables you to send notifications from any computer through HTTP requests. This is particularly useful for small businesses that need to stay informed about their system status without constantly checking their email or monitoring dashboards. Imagine you run a small online store. It's vital for you to know immediately if your website goes down, as every minute of downtime could mean lost sales. By using Notify with Uptime Kuma, you can receive instant alerts on your phone if your website becomes unreachable. Let's see it in action. Here we have Uptime Kuma open. It's already monitoring our website. Now we'll set up Uptime Kuma to send a notification through Notify whenever there's a problem. We'll go to the notification settings in Uptime Kuma and select Notify as the notification method. We'll input the Notify topic and our Notify server URL and save the settings. Now let's trigger a test alert. You'll see that a notification pops up in your browser app in this case. That's Notify in action, fast and reliable notifications to keep you informed. But what about automating other types of notifications? That's where N8N comes in. N8N is a workflow automation tool that can send notifications through Notify for a variety of triggers. We have N8N open in another tab. Let's create a simple workflow. We'll drag in a Notify node, configure it to make a post request to our Notify server with the message we want to send, and then execute the node. And there you have it, another notification on any device, this time sent through an automated workflow in N8N. To summarize, Notify is a versatile tool that can keep you updated on your business operations, whether it's through monitoring services like Uptime Kuma or automating tasks with N8N. By integrating Notify into your workflow, you'll ensure that you're always the first to know when important events occur, allowing you to respond quickly and keep your business running smoothly. Thank you for watching our screencast. With Notify, Uptime Kuma, N8N, and Formable, you have a powerful combination at your fingertips to maintain a vigilant eye on your business's online presence and operations.